Hey everyone, today we will show you how to add checkboxes in Google Sheets. If you want to create to-do lists, track tasks, or organize data more easily, this tutorial is for you. Now, open your spreadsheet. To insert checkboxes, all we need to do is choose the cells where we want them. For example, if we want to add a checkbox in a specific row and column, we simply highlight those cells. Once the cells are highlighted, we click Insert in the toolbar at the top. From there, we will see an option for checkbox. After clicking it, the checkboxes will appear in the selected cells. We can check the boxes or uncheck them whenever we need to. This makes it easy to track completed tasks and keep our spreadsheets organized. We can apply checkboxes to any cells and use them for simple task management. And that's all there is to it. Now we know how to add checkboxes in Google Sheets.